Hey TGB community, I know it looks like today that I'm trying to play Santa Claus, but I'm not. Here in the TGB community, we don't just raise builders to make money, we also raise builders to give back to the community. So as you can see, we have a number of builders lined up right now to take gifts to 30 kids that we took their Christmas list and we brought it to a realization. So right now we're about to head out to their houses. So come with us as we spread joy this holiday season at these 30 kids' houses. Let's go. Right now, we're about to go into the houses of these kids, take pictures with them, pray with them, spread some hope throughout the community. Let's go. I just talked to his mom. We're gonna drop this off for him and you have a wonderful holiday, okay? And tell him we said keep up the good work at school, okay?
All right, thanks so much.
Everybody doing good at school? All right. The Gentleman Builder. The Gentleman Builder. We build houses in the community. I like y'all, man. Y'all have a good Christmas, okay? All right. I have some gifts for you at your house. And the reason why you were selected is because you've been a good student at school and you showed some leadership amongst the other students. So just keep up the good work. People are paying attention. And when you do what you're supposed to do, good things happen, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, keep it up. Merry Christmas. Hey, can we come in? Okay, how are you doing? So you were signed up for Feet of God with TGB. So we sponsor some of the students for Christmas and you had a Christmas list and you got selected. They need. We pray for encouragement. We pray, Father Lord, that their faith prevail. Carrie here? You Carrie? Nice to meet you, Carrie. We had some gifts to drop off to you. So the reason why you were selected, Carrie, is because of your hard work and your leadership at school. So we partner with different school counselors throughout DISD to identify students who may just need a little encouragement, but are showing leadership at their school. And you were selected at one of them. So we want to tell you, good job. And when you show leadership and you do the right thing, good things happen, okay?